Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about Wealthfront investment account. So in this application, as you can see, this is an investment application. So their slogan right here is there's no secret to long-term wealth, but if there were, it would be this. It's going to be your automated index investing, which is what they're promoting. So here you have your cash, bonds, automated investing, stocks, and you can even learn if you want to right here. So as you can see, they are right here, certified by NerdWallet, Investopedia, and they have 1 million trusted clients with $70 billion in total assets, and they have a 4.8 to 4.9 star rating in App Stores. So as you can see right here, this is going to be an example of what it would look like in your portfolio. So let's just say you have it in stocks, US stocks, foreign stocks, emerging markets, dividend stocks, and municipal bonds. So here you will see your risk score in this example on this portfolio. So let's go here. So here, your guide to investing with Wealthfront. You can check out their strategy right here. So the strategy right here is they want to lower your tax with their tax loss harvesting and reduce costs with low cost index funds. So here you can also manage your risk. So when you invest your money in the right mix of asset classes, to risk tolerance, to main diversification, they will automatically rebalance your portfolio. As you can see right here in their example, their most active funds underperform in the S&P 500. In their time period of a year, you will have a percentage of 85.6, and here in 10 years, 68.9, and 20 years, 73%. So right there. So let's go back. So let's see how it works. So how it works is you pick the right account for your goals. If you want a general one and you want to just let your money be wherever you need it to be, you can go with this one. So you have your individual, joint, and trust. And here you also have your retirement. So this is going to be your traditional, your Roth, and your SRP and IRA. If you have goals for your college account, you can also choose that with 529 college savings accounts. So they will build a diversified portfolio tailored to you once you actually answer their questions and give your information to them. So the global diversification is investing in different asset classes around the world. So here you can also do your automatic investing accounts using your ETFs or your exchange traded funds. So these are collections of investments that track performance of indexes, and they hold collections of stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. So they will tailor your portfolio to you as mentioned earlier, and this is how it would look like. So this is how you explore your risk score with the change mix. So as you can see, it's just like the one in the landing page a while ago, where you can check out your own risk score, but this is more simpler right here. If you want a general one, you can also go with retirement, so you can see and change the mix right here of how you want your risk to be actually just tailored. So if you want to go with the high risk reward, of course you want to go with the high risk score right here with US stocks, and that comes with high rewards, or you can just go with the low risk score of 0.5, and you will go with this ones where it can get you little bit of actual return, but it's still being invested. So you also have your retirement, as you can see right here. So you can scroll down here and change the mix on how the mix will be. So when it comes to here, you will see that they even have 8 ways they lower your taxes. First is daily tax loss harvesting, US direct indexing, and as you can see, differentiated asset allocation, and ETFs, rebalance with dividends, tax sensitive rebalancing, and your strategic transfers. You even have smart withdrawals right here. So you can get invested right here if you just press this finger. Oh, I mean, press this button and never lift a finger, as they have said right here, and then you'll just be able to invest as fast as possible. So as you can see right here, if you want to start with a 5% APY with all your cash, you can do so, or earn more with zero state taxes in an automated bond ladder. So here you also have a high yield automated bond portfolio account, or if you want, you can invest in an automated index portfolio, or if you also want, you can go with stocks. So as you can see right here, that is your wealth fund. It's just basically investing for your future. So here, as you can see, I really like this, where they show you the risk score of everything that you are actually trying to invest in with 1%, I mean 1 year return and 3 year returns and 5 year returns in their actual calculations, and you'll see how much the percentage is right here. You can also check out the average annual net loss of your pre-tax returns with them. So their fees are very simple here. So advisory fee would be 0.25%, and the expense ratio is going to be zero point 0.6 up to 0.13. So here you can even check out their account balance and their advisory fee, and you can calculate it without even having to do it with others, or actually just going in and already making an account. You can already pre-calculate it right here. If you have a $5 million account, your advisory fee will be $1,041.67. So there you go, guys. That is your wealth front, and this is the guide to investing for them. I really like it. It's very simple, and it's really friendly for beginners for investing. So this would be a really good one right here, where you can do cash account, automated bond loader, and automated investing account and stock investing account. So you can earn with your money right here, and I really like it. So there you go, guys. This is the review for your wealth front. There you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.